sorry.
Take it around the other way.
I'm not going to, but thank you. I'm allowed to record.
No, you're not.
Yes, sir.
You're testing my patience, mate.
I don't understand how you're allowed to record me and I'm not allowed to record you.
Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. Today's story was submitted by It's Jay, just Jay, who around September of 2014 was on his way to work on a motorcycle. He notices an officer of the Sydney Police Motorcycle Unit make a turn and then without lights or emergency tones make an illegal U-turn and split lanes to get behind him. After Jay makes his turn, the officer pulls him over.
How you going?
Not bad. Do you want me to pull over or what?
Yeah, just stop there.
Yeah, right, sorry.
You got this registered, have you?
Yeah. What happened, boy?
What size engine is it?
125.
Oh, rightio, okay. What, have you got a license in?
Yeah. Oh, yes, I do. Yeah. I'm in the Navy.
You want to turn that off?
No, sorry. Yeah, I won't turn it off.
Yeah, turn it off.
I won't turn it off.
Take it around the other way.
I'm not going to, but thank you.
Place it around the other way and do as you're told.
No, I'm allowed to record.
No, you're not.
Yes, sir.
Leave the helmet where it is, mate. Put the helmet down.
I'm just wearing it.
You're testing my patience, mate.
I don't understand how you're allowed to record me and I'm not allowed to record you. How you're allowed to wear a helmet and be impolite, I'm not allowed to wear a helmet as well.
I'm not being impolite, mate. As soon as I stopped you, I was nice as pie. Then when you started recording and moved your helmet and doing all this other stuff, that's when I start getting the
No, I just
annoyed.
do it for my own benefit because I've been pulled over before for a stupid offence and I've been given a ticket that didn't even exist. Right, it didn't exist, it didn't happen just then. So I'm just making sure I don't get a ticket for something that I haven't done. Like, you can understand that, right? All I need is for one person to be upset and then I get a ticket for something
You're
I
not helping
can't
the
fight.
situation much.
At this point, the officer is taking down Jay's information and preparing to initiate a breathalyzer. Why the officer initiated the stop is a mystery, as he never observed Jay violate any traffic laws. Much like in the US, Australians in NSW have a similar right to film in public, and that right extends to recording police and other emergency workers. Why the officer didn't want the camera on and took action to prevent his being filmed is unknown, but it certainly raises questions about a person's integrity when they attempt to put a stop to transparency, especially state-employed public servants that are paid with tax dollars.
What's the brand of the bike?
The Moto Vert. Don't fiddle with it, you'll break it.
Well, it's not really secure.
Yeah, I know, I need to get another one. It is secure until you start playing with it.
No, it's not. It's not secure.
Was it secure when you pulled up?
It's not secure. It's only held by one screw.
Okay, but was it secure when you pulled up?
It's not secure because I can move it. I'm not going to give you a ticket, mate, so you can relax.
Yeah,
alright?
But what I'm saying is...
All I'm saying to you is, it's got to be better than that. Otherwise, you're going to drive around, it's going to fall off.
Okay.
And then you're in trouble then. Alright? All I'm saying to you is get another screw, put another screw in there, and that solves the problem.
Alright.
Okay? That's all I'm saying to you.
Alright, all I was saying was don't fiddle because it will fall.
See you later, mate.
Have a good one.
Overall, this incident is pretty embarrassing for the officer. It's unclear if he was legally allowed to pull Jay over just to check his registration. No citation was issued, and Jay was free to go, but it's likely it would have ended differently if there was no camera involved. A big thanks to Jay for sending this in. Be sure to head over to his channel and let him know I sent you. Thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like me to review, email it or send it in via Facebook Messenger. You can also view this and other content on my website. If you're new here, subscribe for future content. If you've been around for a while, remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. Shirts and other goodies are available at the Teespring store linked below. Channel memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel and get a slick lack logo next to your name. I'll see you in the next video. All links are down below.